Sanibona, yimina uBanzi Maseko, uthisha wenu we-Maths ka-Grade 8. Siqala i-topic entsha namhlanje, ama-functions and relationships. Yini i-function? I-function i-set yama-instruction ekuthiwa ama-rules, imithetho echaza udlelwane i-relationship between ama-values ashintshayo. Into mayishintshashintsha njenge-weather kuthiwa i-variable. Lawa ama-changing values-ke nawo siwabiza ukuthi ama-variables. Le relationship ubudlelwane singabu-represent-a ngendlela eziwu-4. Singakusho ngamagama noma sibhale ama-flow charts ageleza njengokugeleza kwemfula eqhamuka kwa-left eya kwa-right. Noma singenza ama-table, yabona, in table form. Noma singabhala nje ama-formula akhona.